Windows are an essential component of any home, providing natural light, ventilation, and insulation. If your windows are outdated, damaged, or inefficient, replacing them can improve your home's energy efficiency, security, and aesthetic appeal. However, selecting the right window replacement company in Dallas is crucial to ensuring a high-quality installation and long-lasting results. With numerous companies to choose from, here's a comprehensive guide to help you make the best decision. Look for experience and reputation. A company's experience speaks volumes about its reliability and expertise. Established window replacement companies in Dallas have a track record of successful installations and satisfied customers. To gauge a company's reputation, consider years in business. Choose a company with several years of experience in the industry. Customer reviews and ratings. Check online reviews on Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau, BBB, to see what previous customers have to say. References and testimonials. Request references from past clients and read testimonials on the company's website. Evaluate the quality of windows offered. Not all replacement windows are created equal. A reputable window company should offer a variety of high-quality window brands and materials. Look for windows that provide energy efficiency. Choose windows with ENERGY STAR certification, low E-glass, and multiple panes to enhance insulation and reduce energy costs. Durability. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite windows are known for their longevity and low maintenance. Style and customization. Ensure the company offers a range of styles, double hung, casement, sliding, etc., and customization options, colors, finishes, hardware, to match your home's aesthetics. Verify licensing, insurance, and certification. A reliable window replacement company should be fully licensed and insured to protect you from liability. Ask for proof of business license. Ensures the company is legally operating in Dallas. Insurance. Includes general liability and workers' compensation to cover any accidents or damages during installation. Manufacturer certifications. Certifications from top window manufacturers indicate that the company has undergone specialized training to install their products correctly. Assess their installation process and warranty. The quality of window installation is just as important as the quality of the windows themselves. Improper installation can lead to drafts, leaks, and premature wear. When evaluating a company, ask about installation crew. Are the installers in-house employees or subcontractors? Companies with trained, in-house crews often provide better quality control. Installation techniques. Do they follow industry best practices and use proper sealing and insulation methods? Warranty. A good company should offer both manufacturer warranties on the windows and workmanship warranties on the installation. Compare pricing and financing options. While price should not be the sole deciding factor, it is important to compare quotes from multiple companies to ensure you are getting the best value. Consider detailed quotes. A reputable company should provide a transparent, itemized estimate covering labor, materials, and additional costs. No hidden fees. Avoid companies that offer vague pricing or surprise charges. Financing options. Many companies offer flexible financing plans to make window replacement more affordable. Check customer service and communication. An excellent customer service is a key indicator of a trustworthy company. Choose a company that responds promptly. Timely responses to inquiries and clear communication indicate professionalism. Provides consultations. A free in-home consultation should include measurements, product recommendations, and a detailed estimate. Offers ongoing support. A good company should be available to answer questions even after the installation is complete. Seek local expertise. Choosing a local company ensures that they understand the specific climate and energy efficiency needs of Dallas homes. Local businesses are also more likely to provide personalized service and quick response times for any issues or warranty claims. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a significant investment, so selecting the best window replacement company in Dallas is essential for a successful project. By considering experience, product quality, licensing, installation practices, pricing, and customer service, you can make an informed decision. Take your time to research and compare multiple companies before committing to one, ensuring that you receive the best value, quality, and service for your home improvement needs.